Idyllic Roots. For more videos, please subscribe, like and share.
Hello students, today I will tell you 10 spiritual tips for students. Number 1. East is the most auspicious direction. So the students, while studying, should face east direction. This is very, very, very good for you. Number 2. East is the most preferable direction for sleeping, as well as so the head should face east while sleeping. If you sleep well, you will be fresh for studies the next day. Number 3. Saraswati is the deity of education. We know. Recite this mantra for at least 21 times before starting your study as well as finishing your study every day. Think of deity Saraswati while reciting this mantra. This brings amazing results as it helps in concentration and retention and increase of memory with each day. The mantra is Om Aim Kleem Som Saraswate Namaha. Number 4. Some students use loud music while studying. Listening music is not bad, provided it should be at right level. Loud music creates distraction and stress. Headphones cause hearing loss and distraction. Number 5. Drinking juice of tulsi leaves mixed with mishri every morning increases memory. Girls should take care while doing this and should take very less of this juice because tulsi is hot in effect. The same is valid for the people whose body constitution is hot. Number 6. Wear 5-faced Rudraksha. Number 7. Eat a bowl of curd before going for examination. After having curd, apply the tilak of curd on forehead. Eat some jaggery and then leave. Number 8. Take a green colored glass bottle, fill it with water and keep it outside under sun. It should be under sun for at least 5 to 6 hours. This water will now have the effect of Mercury, which is the planet for wisdom and memory. The student should drink this water. This should be done every day. Number 9. An advice to the parents. Give your children some space and do not force him or her to study. Spend time with your child and create his or her interest in the study. TV is a big distraction, so keep its use limited. Number 10. Lastly, there is no shortcut to success. Work hard and you will achieve success. Best of luck.